Y'all, welcome back to another video, and today we got the newest edition out, the 74 F-100, and I will be cleaning and detailing the interior. Pretty dirty. Can definitely use a clean. Gonna get behind the seat, maybe probably even take the seat out, see what's under there. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna take the seat out.
Yeah.
Okay. Pull the seat back. Hang on. As usual.
Got that one? Oh, that's all.
Okay, and I think we can keep it like this and just make sure you're not like gonna get stabbed by any metal. Sometimes sharp metal on your gun. This thing is stuck in there.
I gotta get into it. Come on, Big Rhonda. Work with me now.
Big Rhonda.
Oh.
You just gotta pick your side up.
No, do you see that?
Yeah, I got it.
I can kneel down. I can get poked in it.
I don't know. Gotta come up. No. I know. Got the seat out. Look at that. Pretty good.
Pretty comfy.
You got your new couch, dude. You could put that in the man cave. Play some Fortnite. That actually wouldn't be a bad seat. I mean,
Yeah,
you can make a little movie theater with that.
Yeah. Get like really cheap trucks and just get like
Yeah.
5 of them.
Here, peek under it. Can you lift it up? Make sure there's anything under there. Nope, we're good. This looks like a good seat. Look at that. A lot of grass.
Yeah.
A quarter.
It's a true farm fish.
Pretty dirty in here.
Turn the lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow.
Ready? Look.
Gotta be real with Kiki, you love me.
It's not even loud at all right there. Okay guys, I just did the best I could. I don't know if my vacuum I don't think is very strong, but it did pretty good. It's just like the tiny speckle stuff that didn't get, but I'd say it's pretty clean. It's pretty clean. Okay guys, sorry for the long time. I couldn't upload the video that you're watching right now because we drove it to a ranch nearby and then it shut off and stopped working. And it took me a week or two to get it back from the shop, and we just did just now. It cost me about $300 just to get it connected. They said that the spark plug wires was loose or popped off and they need to be reconnected and all, or something about the engine, I don't know, but we got it all good now. She's running nice. Just drove it back. So now, enough with the pause, continue on the video. What did we find? We just busted this open. What is that?
Case for a Clarion something.
Clarion. What's that?
Some tools.
Some tools. Just information, insurance.
Insurance. Headset.
Just headphones.
Yeah, goes in there.
Oh, what's this deal? How come it's locked up? It won't push in.
Can you,
Got it working by spraying silicone lubricant. Spray in there. There we go. Close it, let's see if it works. Oh boy. Oh boy.
yeah, it works.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Sierra, what are you doing in the bed of the truck? She's just investigating, as you can see. Is this some Line-X? Oh, comfortable Line-X. It is Sierra approved, of course. Always Sierra approved.